Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today video we will solve the new question that is check whether or not the number is an Armstrong number in Java. As you can see here, the question arrive is what is the Armstrong number. Basically, Armstrong number is an an Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits and each raised to the power of the numbers of digits. It means whatever numbers we have now, that numbers have to sum of that numbers and power of that numbers is equal to, then only it will be a Armstrong numbers. Uh, let's take one example to understand what is exactly Armstrong numbers. So, see, first of all, explanation is first you count how many digits the numbers have. Then, for each digit raised is to the power equal to the total numbers of digits. Whatever numbers you have, that numbers have to the digits of that particular number. Finally, sum all those power digits. If the sum of is equal to the original numbers, it's Armstrong numbers. Let me take one example. See, let's take here the number is 153. This is the our numbers. It has three digits. As you can see here, one, two, three. Three digits to have this. So calculate this. First of all, you have to power of this digit. Means how many digits you have? One, two, three. So and the numbers is 153. One power of three. Then five power of three. And then three power of three. So what is equal to the 125 and 27. Then this number should be sum of this number is equal to the 153. Then only it will be a uh, sum number. So as you can see here, sum equals to 1 plus 125 plus 27. As you can see here, we will get the 153. And this 153 is equal to 153. It means it is a Armstrong number. Let me take one more example. Here, let's take the numbers 1634. As you can see here, this number is a four digits of numbers. That means the every particular digits have to the power of 4. Okay. So every number should power of the 4. So as you can see, it has a 4 digits. So calculate. So every digit 1 have to power of 4. 6 have to power of 4. Then 3 have to power of 4. Then 4 have to power of 4. What is equal to the 296, 81, 256. Then sum of the whole numbers of powers of digits. So 1 plus 1296 plus 81 plus 256. What is equal to 1634. As you can see here, it will be equal to the uh, original numbers. That means it is the Armstrong numbers. How to implement this in our program? So let's go to the Eclipse and solve this problem in the our Eclipse. Okay, see here we have a class of Armstrong numbers. The question is check whether or not the number is a Armstrong numbers in Java. This is our main method. Inside of main method, write your program. So let's take what are the variables we need. First of all, which numbers you want to check. In number is equal to 153. This is the our numbers. And this number I want to check. This is the Armstrong numbers is not. First of all, take one variable int original original number is equal to number. To store the number inside the original numbers to perform some operations, and that number should not be affected whatever operation performed with this original numbers. So after this, we need one more variable to calculate the how many digits in your numbers. Int digit The initial value of default value is 0. Okay, and you need one more variable, that is the temporary variable temp is equal to number. Okay, after this, first of all, what you need to do, you have to calculate your count the numbers of digits. Means what, how many digits they have is a 3 digits. For that, let's take while loop to count the numbers of digits. While temp greater than 0, while temp is greater than 0, you have to do this digit. Uh, Let me take this digit digit plus to count the variables. To counting the variables, you also need one more thing. If you remember my previous program, that you know that temp plus divide equal to 10. To removing the every iteration you have to remove the one values and count digit plus. So it will be counting the values. So after this, you are six out here. Let me six out digit. Let me see how many digits we have. Uh, three digits we have. So every time one digit will be removing inside of this here. If you are dividing your actual numbers 153, you will get the 153, then 15, then 1. So it will be removing in every single time one variable from the last. It will remove the 3, then 5, then 1, and counting the digits inside of digits. You will get the 3 here. So let me remove this. We don't need here. After this, step 2, what you need to do, calculate the sum of digits raised to the power. What actually power of digits is. So here, step 2, okay, this is the step 1. Then step 2, let's implement. You need a one variable for that, int sum, which is calculating the sum of the digits, and you need a one more variable, that is temp is equal to number. So, but it already getting here now. It's already defined here. Temp is equal to number. Okay. Here you have to reassign the uh, value of inside of temp. Temp is equal to number. To perform again some operation with the temp, while while take while loop, temp is greater than 0, temporary variables greater than 0. What you need to do, int digit, take one variable, int digit is equal to temp percentile. Then so here, when we are doing here, as you can see here, we will take the digits, not digit. Here it's a digit as is there, but here it's not a as, it's just a digit. So it will be calculating the single digit in every time. How it calculates, let's suppose if you are dividing the 153 with the 10, whatever the reminders you will getting in your divide division, that is the digits inside of this. Let's take Let's suppose here you have a 9 which you want to divide with the 2. Divide with the 2. So let's take 3 divided with the 2. 2 1 ja 1. So here what you will getting are 2. So what will be the values of 3 minus 2? You will get the 1 here. This 1 is a reminder. Okay. So this reminders you will get inside of the in every iteration. So I hope you will understand this. Then after this, sum plus equal to take one method is inside of the uh, java.lang, that is a math java.lang package. That method is present. Let's write the math control space. You will get the uh, math. Okay, math dot power. Power is a method. Power. Here you need two things. First of all, digit. Digits refers to the reminder, and digits refer to the division, divisor, quotient. Okay, not a quotient. Digits is numbers. How many numbers in your here you are calculating the numbers now. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3. So digits refer to the how many numbers inside of your actual numbers. So digit digits here, and so it will be fine here. After this, what you need to do are every single time 10 divide equal to 10 to removing the values. Uh, so first time is, let's suppose we have an 153, it will take the 153 and divide by 10. So it will be removing 3. The second iteration it will remove the 5. Third iteration it will remove the 1. This is the way of working this. And after this, what you need to our step 3 is there now. Let's take step 3. What you need to do, check if sum is equal to original number. So this out, just print the original number plus is an Armstrong number. Armstrong number. What if not? So just write else this out. Uh, Original number plus is not Armstrong number. Armstrong number. Okay, this program is done now. Let's run this program and see what will happen. Run it. See, 153 is an Armstrong number. Let's suppose if you're entering the enter the 2. Okay. Let's run this program. See, 2 is an Armstrong number. Let's take 100. 100 is not a Armstrong number. So this program is done now. So let me just comment out something here. So now it's completed. Step 1 is calculate how many digits in your numbers. So step 1, what you're doing, just how many digits in your numbers is calculating here. And second step, calculating sum of each digit raised to the power. So if we have our 3 digits here, that power should be, every number should be power of 3. If you have a 1, 1 is the power of 3, then 0 is the power of 3, then 0 is the power of 3. That is the way of doing this. And calculating the sum as well. So here what you're doing, sum plus equal to math dot power. This is the method which you're doing the digits and digits. Digits is the refers to the how many digits in your numbers have. So it will be basically the power. How many digits you have, that is the power of your numbers. Let's suppose here you have a 153. So as you can see here, this is a 3 digit. Here inside of this, that 3 is there, and the digit is a number. 3 is there now. That then 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Then 5 into uh not a 1. Sorry guys. Yeah. So 3 is there now. 1 to the power of 3. It will be not getting to sub. So 1 of the power of 3, then 5 of power of 3, then 3 of the power of 3. This is the way of doing here. So I hope you will understand this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anna.